Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today I am going to start English grammar, and in English grammar we are going to study about pronouns. When we speak the word pronoun, you will get it that there is noun in this word. It means that there is some connection between noun in the pronoun. So let us understand what is the connection between noun in the pronoun. For that we will first of all revise the definition of noun. So what is the definition of noun? Noun refers to the name of person, place, animal or a thing. Once again I repeat, noun refers to the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Now let us understand the definition of pronoun. So what is the definition of pronoun? Pronouns are those words that are used in the place of nouns. Once again I repeat, what is pronoun? Pronouns are those words that are used in the place of noun. For example, I, she, he, it, that, they, who, each, many, them. So these are all are the examples of pronoun. It means that the words I, she, he, it, that, they, who, each, many, them. These are the words that can be replace the noun. It means the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Instead of their name, we can write I, he, she, etc. So to understand this definition more clearly, we have to look at some more example with their pictures to understand the definition of pronoun more clearly. So let us understand it. First of all, we will revise the examples of pronouns. So the examples of pronouns are I, we, my, mine, you, he, she, it, they. So these are the examples of pronouns. Now we will understand these words with the help of pictures. So our first word is he. Now let's understand where we use he. He is used for boys and men. So the name of the boy and men can be replaced with the word he. It is a pronoun. So he is a pronoun. For example, we can write that he is my father. So here he is known as pronoun. He is my father and he is the pronoun. Now let's understand the word she. She is used for girls and women. So the word she is used for girls and women. It means that the name of the girls and women can be replaced with the word she. So she is a pronoun. For example, she is my mother. Here she is used for a lady. As you can see in the picture, a lady is there. So she is used for a lady and she is a pronoun. Let us look some more example. She is a doctor. Doctor is a lady. So we use the word she as a pronoun here. And next example is she is Julie. Julie is a girl. So we used she for the Julie. So she is also a pronoun. Now let's understand the word or a pronoun it. It is used for the animals and things. It means that the name of the animals and things can be replaced with the word it. So it is a pronoun which is used for the animal and things, and it can replace their names. For example, it is a bed. So bed is a thing. It is a name of a thing. So it can be replaced with the word it. Next example is it is a squirrel. Squirrel is a animal. So its name can be replaced with the word it. So it is a pronoun which can replace the name of animals and things. Now let's understand the word we. We is also a pronoun, and where it is used, let's understand. We is used when I am talking about myself along with others. It means that we is used when we are talking about ourselves and some more other people. So we is used more than one people, where we include ourselves also. For example, we all love Ricky. As you can see in the picture also, there is more than one person, so we is used for more than one person. Now let's understand the pronoun they. Where they is used? They is used when we are talking about other people, animal or thing. It means that they is used when we are talking about only other people's animals or things. So let's understand with some example. That is, they are playing. Here they are used for the children who are playing. So they is used for other peoples and more than one peoples. The next example is they are having fun. Who are having fun? All the monkeys are having fun. So they is used in the place of animal, and it is more than one animal. Now let's understand the word you. You is also a pronoun, and you is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. Let's understand with some example. The first example are you are singers, and the next example is you are beautiful. In the both the example you can see that the person is talking about their qualities in front of them. Now we have to do filling the blanks with suitable pronouns. You have to see the pictures and you have to tell them which pronoun is suitable according to the pictures. So the first one is Dash is playing in the park. So which is the suitable pronoun? It is she. She is playing in the park. No, it is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because you can see in the picture, it is a picture of a boy, and I have told previously that for the boys we have to use he, not she. So it is wrong. So the correct answer is he is playing in the pronoun. So correct pronoun is he. Now the next picture is Dash is dancing. If I write they is dancing, it is right or wrong? It is wrong, because they is used for other person and more than one person. So they is wrong. So the correct pronoun is she, because in the picture you can see that the picture there is a picture of a girl, and for the girl we use she. So she is the correct pronoun in this sentence. Now the next word is Dash is raining. Which pronoun is used here? He. He is raining. No, it is wrong, because he is used for the boys. So it will be she is raining. No, it is wrong, because she is used for the girls. So which pronoun is used here? It is raining, because it is used in the place of any animal or things. So it is raining. Now the next is Dash are playing cricket. Which is a suitable pronoun? He are playing cricket. No, it is wrong, because he is used for the boys, but here there is more than one boy. So which pronoun is used here? They are playing cricket, because they is used for other person and more than one person. Now the next is Dash are studying. So the correct pronoun is they are studying, because they is used for more than one person and two other person. So the correct pronoun is they. Next is you have to identify whether the given sentence is right or wrong. So the first sentence is John is a very polite boy. So everyone likes her. Whether this sentence is right or wrong, this sentence is wrong because John is a boy, and for the boys we use him, not her. Her is used for girls. So John is a boy and her is used for girls. So it is wrong. The correct answer is John is a very polite boy, so everyone likes him. Now the next sentence is Oliva is very pretty. Her dress is very beautiful. Whether this sentence is right or wrong, this sentence is right because Oliva is a girl and her is used for girls. So her is pronoun. Next sentence is we are going to the party. Whether it is right or wrong, it is right because we is a pronoun and there are many people, so we used we for many people, so this sentence is correct. So let us revise one more time. What is the definition of pronoun? The word that we use in the place of nouns are called pronouns, and the examples of pronouns are I, he, she, it, we, they, you, etc. Okay student, thank you for today's class. Now this is your homework. You have to complete both the exercise in your grammar copy.